Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Welcome, adventurers! In this video, I will explain how to complete Garden of Banban, starting with your very first steps. Your most important tool is the drone, which you will acquire early on. Use it to press buttons that are out of reach, like those above doors, to open new paths. Always keep an eye out for keycards, as they unlock many areas. For example, the first keycard is often found near the starting elevator. Thorough exploration of each new room is key to finding hidden items and progressing through the kindergarten. As you delve deeper, you'll encounter many puzzles and need to find various colored keycards to unlock new areas. For instance, you might need a green keycard for a specific door or an orange one for another. Many puzzles involve matching colors or activating a sequence of switches. Your drone remains invaluable for remote interactions, like pressing buttons across a room. When traversing ventilation shafts, listen for sounds. They often indicate a monster's presence. Some challenges, like finding 6 hidden eggs, require careful observation. The kindergarten is not empty. You'll face several monstrous inhabitants. When a chase begins, your best strategy is to run and use the environment to your advantage, perhaps by retracting a plank to send a monster into a pit. Learning the movement patterns of creatures like Opila bird will help you evade them. You'll also encounter minigames, such as a cannon game, which are crucial for progression. Some larger foes, like Kitasaurus, require specific tactics, such as luring them onto floor buttons to defeat them. To ultimately complete your quest, your main objective is often to repair the elevator, which typically requires finding 3 crucial parts. You'll often receive guidance from friendly characters, like Sheriff Toadster, who will lead you to new sectors. Be ready for final challenges, including cognitive and physical tests, which might involve collecting 8 crystals or defeating a large monster. Remember to collect keycards from key figures, such as a blue keycard from the Queen. Finally, reach the repaired elevator with your allies to achieve your goal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.